Yes, thank you very much for coming back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be making the floor plan of this particular um, three-bedroom apartment as we are given here. I did the introduction to building drawing in my last video. Please, if you haven't seen that, you can take a look at the video. Please, I will even want to advise, if you are coming across this video or building drawing for the very first time, you need to go and see that introduction to building drawing. You need to see the introduction to building drawing. It's very important because I'm going to be making use of some of the things I talked about or principles I talked about in that introduction to building drawing here. So if you don't have that background knowledge, you may find this video not convincing to you. So please, you need to see that. So very quickly in this video, what we are going to be doing here is that I'm going to be going straight away to draw this floor plan. So to draw this floor plan, you can see we are given the length from this side to this side. You can see it as 12,000. Okay, then we have the height to be 12,500, as we can see here. You can see 12,000, then at this part here 12,500. So I'm going to be, usually we can just start by drawing a rectangular block, but I want to take it one after the other for better understanding. So the first thing I'm going to do here now, just draw the baseline. Draw this baseline. Okay, start let's with a thin line. Draw the baseline, this baseline. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to draw a perpendicular line to it. So at this point here, we have this line here drawn. So I'm going to be starting from this edge here. So I'm going to be starting, we are given for this garage, the width for this garage to be 3,000, as you can see here. So I'm going to be taking that now. I will take 3,000. So I have this as 3,000. Then the next division is this entrance and lobby. We are also given as 3,000. So I will take from this side as well. That is 3,000. Then follow by the living room side. From here to here you can see 6,000. So I'm going to take that now very quickly. 6,000. So this is 6,000. So I will draw the vertical line. So I fix my set square. Okay, just use this. Okay, and if you are not using your T-square with the set square, you can just fix this like this. Make sure it is in alignment with this inner side, the baseline you drew. Make sure it is in alignment. If I want to do this now, I can just draw this way, because it is very important for your lines to be straight. Okay, drawn that way. So the next thing we are going to do after I've drawn each of these division. Okay, all right, so I'm going to be fixing in the wall thickness, the thickness of the wall. I explained this in the introduction, so you can take a look at that. So in order not to waste time, you can see we are given 150 as the thickness of the wall, 150 thick concrete hollow block. Okay, so we have that now. So that 150, I've told us that this unit measurement here, okay, the dimension given, we are dividing by 1,000 straight away. So if you don't know why we are dividing by 1,000, I still want you to take a look at that video. So if we are dividing the thickness of the wall given to us, we are dividing the thickness of the wall by 1,000. So I'm going to be getting 0.15. That's approximately 0.2. So approximation is allowed. Okay, so at this side now, I'm going to have 1 2 at this side, 0.2, then 0.12 at this side. Okay, like I told us in my video, the introduction, we don't need to do the thickness to this side. We already have this thickness here. Then you come to this side, 0.2, then to this side we have 0.2. Okay, so I'm going to be drawing them now. I will draw the line now. Okay, fix it and make sure it is in alignment with this inner side. Okay, so I'm going to be drawing that now. You have that. Okay, this side, okay, so we have those thickness, the thickness drawn out that way. Then the height for this living room area here, you can see from here, is 6,000. But before I draw that, I need to take the thickness of this wall, okay, at this point as well. So I will take this thickness. So the thickness 0.2. Okay, you take this way, shift it until it gets to that 0.2. Okay, okay, then I just produce this line. Okay, so that is a thickness from this place. Okay, then the next thing now, we are going to be taking the height for this living area, 6,000. Then from here I will take 6. Okay, 6, and don't forget we are drawing to scale 1 to 100. Okay, I'm dividing by 1000. Like I said in the introduction to building drawing, like I said, we divide by this 100 and we'll further divide by 10. Okay, so instead of dividing in piece, so just divide by 1000 straight away, each dimension given to us, because the question says we should draw to scale of 1 to 100 the floor plan front elevation. So this is what I'm doing for now. I'm drawing the floor plan and we are given the using the specification. Okay, we're going to be making use of some of the specifications. So I'm going to measure 6 now. So this is 6. All right, so what I'm going to do now, okay, you can also take 6 at this side and join, or just join with your T-square straight away, either way. Yeah, so I'll just join, connect the 2 points together quickly. So this way. All right, so now I'm going to have the thickness also. We put in the thickness from this side, 0.2 as the thickness, 0.2. So with that now we have the garage now, the garage part. Then this part here we are to bring out the kitchen and entrance lobby. So I'm going to, if you look at the floor plan given here, so it's 3,000 from here to this part here is 3,000. So don't forget that from here to this part here is 6,000. So we have this as 6,000 from this part here to this part here as 6,000. So what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to divide this into 3,000. Okay, 3,000 there. So I'll pick the from this part now. So I will have this as 3,000. Okay, can have this other side too. $3,000 so that I can connect them. I can connect. Okay, I can connect them. Just connect them within continuous line that way. Okay, so we have this from here as 3,000, then from here as 3,000. So next thing I will bring in the thickness for this side. So as a thickness, so we have been able to divide this portion now, this portion into the entrance and the kitchen. So this is the kitchen part, this is the entrance lobby. Okay, so we have this, so we can move from here now. Let's move from here now. So from this part now, okay, from this part we want to get the WC and the birds. Okay, all right, you need to be very careful so that you know where you take your measurement from. Don't forget that. Let me put this again so that we can see. This is 6, this is our 6. So I'm starting from this part here. I'm picking my measurement from this part. Okay, for 1,250. Okay, 1,250. So we can take that now. So to do that, then this part now, we divide by 1,000 as well. 1,250, that will give us what? 1.25. 1.25. 1.25. So from here, how will I take 1.25 from the ruler? You can just take, this is 1. This is 1. I hope you can see that. Let me adjust the camera so that we can see that. Okay, this is 1. Okay, this is 1.212. So just put it a little in between 2 and 3, like that. 2. Okay, I think we are fine now. Then do likewise here. Okay, 1, 1, 2, in between them, this way. Okay, so I will just draw a horizontal line across. Draw a horizontal line across from this part now. Just draw a horizontal line. Okay, fix it. Okay, just draw this horizontal line across. Then at this part as well, I will draw a horizontal line across it this way. Okay, so this way. So I'll bring in the thickness for this side now. Okay, so bring in the thickness. Don't forget that I'm taking the thickness down. Okay, so bring in the thickness for this part. So this is 1.2. I mean 0.2, sorry. I have thickness for this side as well. Okay, now you can see this one from this place now. The width for the WC and the birds, we are told that is 22,500. That is 2.5. That is 2.5. So I'm going to take that. I'll take that from this part here. 2.5 this way. So this is my 2.5. So you can take 2.5 up here as well. 2.5. Then you can connect the two dots together. Okay, so you have this. So we are going to put in the thickness. Okay, thickness should be inside like this. So we've successfully removed the portion for the bedroom, this bath, and WC. So for this side now, we're having this demarcation here. There is a door here. Okay, that means there's also an entrance like this from this side, which will link to the passage. So I want to cut the passage now. So from this side, we are told that it is 1.5. This side there, this length here. So I'm going to be taking that. That is 1.5. 1.5. So I will take 1.5 now. This is my 1.5 here. Okay, so take 1.5 here as well, so that I can connect the 2 points together. 1.5. Okay, so I'll connect them this way. So I'll put in the thickness now. Put in the thickness 0.2. Okay. Alright, so we have done this part now. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to remove excess construction line later. Okay, so excuse me. So let's go to this third layer. No, you can see the floor plan is in layer. This is the first layer, the second one, and we are here now. So this is the first one, this is the second one, then we are going to this part now. So alright, so we have this now from this part here. Okay, we are told that this side is 4,000 for the bedroom. For the bedroom is 4,000. So I'm going to quickly fix that now. So from here, now let's take 4. Okay, so this is 4 here. We'll come here as well. We have 4 this way, so we can connect the 2 points together. So we have this way, so it brings in the thickness inside this way. This way, so we can have this part now. Okay, so let's fix in the bedroom for this side. So this side as well is 4,000, 4,000, and 4,000. So I will come this way, take 4,000. Okay, but better still, let's begin from here, since we begin from this part when we were building it. Okay, when we were taking the demarcation for the each parts of the building. So I'm going to have here 4,000. Okay, 4,000. Then you have, so at this place 4,000. Okay, so the last place here also will be 4,000, as you can see there. So now the next thing I'm going to do, you can pick 4,000 here at the base here, so that we can link them, the 2 points together. Okay, so I can have this part now like that. Like this. So I'll take in the thickness. Okay, so this is 4,000 from here. That is 4 centimeters. So I will take in the thickness 0.2. This thickness here. Okay. So we have this. Okay, then for this side as well, thickness here. All right, so we have this complete now. So now let me remove the excess construction line now before I write in for each of the division. Okay, so we have this for this part now. You just remove some of the excess construction line. This part here. Okay, yes, for this side, these two sides, then we remove this is the passage area. Remove the whole of this. Okay, so let's write in. Let me remove some of this as well. Okay, so let's write in for each of the parts of the building now. So this is the garage. This is the garage. Entrance. Entrance lobby. So I'm going to identify for each of the parts of the building. Living room now, then bedroom. All right, so these are all the parts. Okay, kitchen, I left kitchen out, so I can put in the kitchen now. Alright, so these are all the various parts of the building for the floor plan. So in my next video, what I'm going to be showing us now, I'm going to be showing us how we fix the windows and the door. Please, I want you to stay tuned. I want you to look at that video. Thank you very much. God bless you.